Hey, what is up guys? Cam Jack here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new viewers, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you're enjoying the content in it. Obviously it's up to you guys though. But basically in this video I'm going to be talking about Forex trading again. Been a little while since I did one of these videos, so I thought it would be a good idea to give you guys an update of where I am, and I've actually switched platforms. I've gone into IQ option now, which I've found has been really awesome. Mostly because the limited amount that you can put in is a lot less than that of the Standard Bank Web Trader and other options. Obviously, I haven't really looked into XM trading and stuff like that, so if you guys are interested in that, then obviously by all means go ahead. But basically why I've been using IQ options now is because you can trade commodities, you can do cryptocurrencies, and the really awesome part is you can have a demo account, which they give you $10,000 with no restrictions, which is really cool, and you can top it up at any time if you're wanting to practice strategies and if you're wanting to learn different tricks of the trade, obviously, which is what everyone's wanting to do. There's actually an in-chat platform, an in-app platform that you can chat on with other people, and they talk about a lot of stuff and they give each other advice, which is really cool, so you can join in on that. But basically I've mostly just been sticking to doing shares, so international shares. And also I've been looking at commodities at the moment, so I've been trading gold a lot, just because the gold market has been pretty up and down lately, and it looks like it's going to be in an upward trend for a little while longer. S&P 500, I've also been trading that here and there with one of my mates, and look, it's a little bit volatile at the moment, but up and down, you can't really tell where it's going to go. So, you know, if you guys are interested, obviously take a deeper look into that. It is really cool. But basically, yeah, let's get into the platform and let's talk about what it has to offer. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, this is the IQ options platform. It's really cool. It's really easy to use. Look, don't get sucked into it. There is quite a lot of gamification in this. So it does feel like you're just playing a game. But so these are the current obviously ETFs that I'm focusing on. Also the Forex trading accounts, and also the commodities that I've said, because I've mainly been focusing on gold. What's quite cool is you can see your trading history, so you can see how you've done obviously over the past little while, and then as I said, here's the chat. So obviously people talking, here's the English chat. You can see the Forex trading chat, which is really cool. Like, guys will give you tips and tricks. They'll also post how they've been doing, so you can see things like this and whatever. And then there's leaderboards, so you can see how much people have made this month. Obviously just keep in mind that these guys have a lot of money to play with. So it is quite different for you guys who are starting out. If you're anything like me, I'm probably not going to put anywhere near the amount that these people have been putting into their accounts to obviously do well. And obviously you can see market, so it gives you, you know, you can check tips, tricks, whatever's going on. This is the laptop platform, which I would highly recommend, because obviously it's an app. It's a little bit smaller to use, quite hard to use on your phone, and you don't want to be making silly mistakes, especially if you've got real money on the line. You know, take it properly, work properly, rather just stick to the laptop version. This is obviously the website. You also do get the app to upload onto your laptop, but I don't find that necessary. Other things to make sure is obviously you start off with a demo account. So fortunately I've been doing pretty well lately, so I've increase the demo account from $10,000 to $11,000 and some change. So yeah, just make sure you focus on that. And what's really awesome is with the demo accounts, you can come up with your strategies, you can see what you're going to do, and you don't have to mess around with it. So you can mess around with it. You don't have to mess around with your money and find some sort of strategy that works for you. So if you guys are interested, definitely take a look at IQ option. Do some research for yourself. Obviously, watch some videos on Forex trading, learn a little bit, people do tips and tricks. I'll show you guys a few tips and tricks that I sort of use, but yeah, just mainly remember, try use the demo money as if it is your real money, so then you know what you'll be doing once you start trading properly. Okay, cool. So tips and tricks quickly. So one thing I would highly recommend is do a lot of your own research. Make sure you are looking at apps such as Bloomberg as well as CNN apps, mainly focus obviously on the market sort of stuff and the trading and whatnot. If you're obviously into magazines and whatnot, then get the Financial Weekly, or I think it's called that. just to make sure you're keeping up with the markets and you know what's going on. You don't want to just be guessing the whole time. You kind of want to know, for example, I've been looking at the futures for the S&P 500 at the moment, and everyone's saying it's going down, it's going down, it's going down in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And today, which is the 11th, it had a huge decrease as soon as the market opened. And it's gone from, on this, it's gone from 322 all the way down to 302 now. So, I mean, it's lost quite a lot in percentage margins. I'm not going to guess what percentage that is, but yeah, so main tip is make sure you're doing your research, make sure you know what's going on with the market, and you should be fine and you should be able to guess properly what's going to happen. And instead of it becoming a guess, it's more of an educational guess and you know what's going to go on. Thanks so much for watching, and for those of you who got to the end of this video, please comment below, and if you have any questions you want to ask, obviously get in contact with me either through Instagram. My Instagram handle is Cameron_Jack1, or you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. But thank you.